You guys good? You guys good? Okay. So if 91 grams of zirconium 5 carbonate reacts with 44 grams of permanganate, what is the maximum amount of product with zirconium in its name that can be produced? So first of all, where are the products? On this side or this side?
Left side.
On the left side. Okay, so which product has zirconium in its name? This one or this one?
Middle one.
This one right here, right? All right, so this is what we're going to end up making. This is what we're going to end up making. So our answer is going to be in grams of zirconium. All right, grams of zirconium. So we got MnO4, and then we got 5 right here. Okay, so that's what our answer is going to be in. First, what is the only numbers that were given?
Where's the question?
What are the numbers that were given? We got this question number 4 on the study guide. You guys have it open? It's number 4 of the questions. All right, fine. We got 91.1 grams of.
Wait, is that it?
Yeah. It's 91.1 grams of zirconium 5 carbonate. So this is zirconium 5 carbonate. So we got Zr2, CO, 3, 5. Okay, so this is all we have. This is all we're given, and we're also given the 44.4 grams of permanganate, which is grams of MnO4. All right, so those are the 2 things that were given. We'll start with this one. So we'll do this one first. What do you put directly across right here every single time?
ZrCO3.
The same thing. You always put the same thing right across. So we'll start with grams of Zr2CO3, 5. All right, and then, so now we have to actually get the molar mass of Zr2CO3, 5. So first, if you guys look on your periodic tables that are in front of you, well, let's get the value of Zr first. So Zr is what? 91.224?
Yeah.
224, all right. And then, how many ZRs are there? Look, everybody look. There's 2 ZRs. Good job, Marvin. All right. Times 2. You get a shout out on YouTube. All right. All right. So, from here, we got 2 ZR2s. We got ZR times 2. And then, now we got to do carbon, and we got to do oxygen. So, how many carbons do we have?
3, 5.
5, yeah. It's actually, this 5 distributes into everything here. So it's 1 right there, and then it distributes right there. So C times 5, there's 5 with C's. So what's the value of carbon?
Carbonate.
12.011.
Yeah, 12.011. Yeah, if you look on your periodic table, 12.011, and we said how many of them there were?
5.
5, okay. And then what about oxygen? How many oxygens do we have? Eddie?
5, 2.
5 times 3 is what? Good job, Marvin. All right, so 5 times 3 is 15. So we got 15 right here. All right, so what's the value of oxygen?
15.999.
All right, good job, Luis. All right, so 15.999 times 15. All right, so what's 91.224? Hey, everybody get your calculators out. So what's 91.224 times 2?
182.448.
182 point what?
448.
448. So 12.001 times 5?
60.055.
60.055.
Gonna get copyrighted.
All right, and then what's 15.999 times 15?
139.985.
No,
two.
139.995?
239.
Oh, 239. 239.995?
985.
85. All right, bet. So now we just got to add this together. So what's 182.448 plus 60.00, sorry, 0.055 plus 239.985?
Ooh. It's not water? It's not water?
Damn.
What was the number?
These numbers. You got it?
Together?
Yeah.
Hold up.
All right, Miles. All right, you gotta get your calculator out, Miles. All right, Eddie, get.
182.488.
What is it?
482.4.
That's definitely not right. 180 plus 60 plus 239 can't be 400. Wait, you're right. 482?
Yes. 0.488.
488. You're right. You're right. All right. I thought you just like said 400 flat. Okay, so that's gonna be 482.488. Okay. So now we got that. So from there, that's per what? We got 482.44 grams of ZR2
Per mole.
per mole, per 1 mole of the same thing. So for 1 mole of ZR2CO35. All right. So from here, I'm gonna erase this part because I need the space.
Okay.
Okay. Now I gotta go to the YouTube to get a screenshot.
All right. So from here, what are we gonna put in this corner right there?
1 mole. No, you put mole? Or no?
What do you? Yeah, 1 mole. Yeah, you put the same thing. So 1 mole.
ZR2 CO3.
ZR2 CO3 5. All right. So, and for every 1 mole of ZR2 CO3 5, how many moles of ZR MnO4? Eddie. For every one of these, how many of these? Says it right here. For every one of these, how many of these?
2.
Yeah. So 2 moles of ZR. Oh, sorry. Moles of ZR 1 MnO4 5. All right. So we got that. So we're clean there. Now what we got to do is. What do we put here directly across Caesar? The same thing always. So, but this time, so you always go from grams to moles, moles to moles, and then moles to grams. So we're in, for every 1 mole of ZR, 1 MnO4 5, you're going to turn that into what? Grams of what? Grams of what? If you're going to have this in moles?
ZR?
Sorry, this isn't moles. 1 mole, my bad. Yeah, of ZR. ZR MnO4 5. Okay, so how much does ZR MnO4 5 weigh? So now we got to do this over here. All right. So what's the value of ZR? It was like 91 point something. Eddie, what was it? ZR?
91.224.
You're good, you're good. 91.224? All right. And then what is Mn? Daniel, what is Mn? What's the value of Mn? $54.938. All right, and then what's the value of what? What's the value of oxygen?
15.999.
15.999 times, how many oxygens do we have? 5 times 4. 20. We have 20 oxygens. How many manganese do we have?
1. 5.
Exactly. 5 times 1 is 5. So we end up with this is times 1. So that's going to end up equaling 91. So 91.224. And then 54.938 times 5. What is it, Caesar?
What?
What's 54.938 times 5?
It is 274.69.
274.69. All right, bet. Okay, so what's 15.999 times 20? What's 15.999 times 20?
That's easy.
319.98.
Even at 19.98.
Nice. Good job. Good job, Cesar.
Thank you.
Good job, Marvin.
Good job, Marvin. I'm proud of you, Marvin. All right. All right, so here we go. Now, add that up. 91 plus 274. All right, Miles, you got it? What's 91 plus 274 plus 319?
I don't know, Miss Chavez.
Bro, go.
I type fast. I type fast.
All right, Taylor, you got it?
Yeah, I just opened it.
Where'd you get the MN though?
And man's right here.
I don't know, where'd I?
You add them all together, right, Miss Chavez?
Yeah, all these together, yeah.
685.912.
685.912?
Yeah.
For 912?
Yeah.
12?
912. Okay, so 685.912. Okay. So we got that. Boom.
Bro.
Okay, so now we just gotta multiply 685.912 times 2 times 91.1. KGGI. Is that a radio station?
Yeah.
Probably should.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
have
it's a radio station.
Oh, this is 91.1. Not 99.1, huh? You got it?
Hell no.
Yeah, next one.
This is only part of the question, right?
Yeah, this is the only part of the question. So we gotta go.
I thought that was the end of the question.
Hurry.
Times what?
91.1 times 1 times 2 times 685.912.
Just put 91.1 times 2, and then after that times it by 685.912. You can't see that part.
You can't see this part?
No, the objective. Like it cuts off at the equal sign.
Just zoom into that way really quick. All right, so it's this times this times this times this.
What's that?
I mean, that's good enough.
91.1 times 2 times 685.912.
That's a big number.
Yeah, it's a big number. What is it?
124,973.166.
124,000 times what?
124,973.166.
No. What is it?
0.166.
Like that?
0.166.
0.166?
Yeah.
All right, that might not. Okay. All right, and then we got to times 482 times 1 times 1. So it's the same number. So it's 482.488. All right, so what's 124,973.166 divided by 482.488?
How much time are we gonna have on this test?
All right. So
We have an hour.
hit it.
No.
Got 90 minutes on the test, huh?
And how many questions?
So what is that? 124? What is that?
Oh, I have to go.
Wait, you gotta divide that.
Yeah, it's whatever number you had divided by 482.448.
Oh, that big ass number, right?
259.039661.
I knew it.
259 point what?
039661.
So it's just 259.0. Okay. So, and that's in grams. Stop the video.
Stop it.
Yeah.